Welcome back to Future Cars Pro. Let's talk about the 2026 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. One important upcoming video on luxury trucks coming tomorrow. So subscribe to GRT Timely Updates. Let's dive in. Honda Ridgeline Black Edition, a truck that doesn't scream for attention, but instead earns your respect the moment you see it. Honda first rolled out the Ridgeline back in 2005, shaking up the pickup world with something different. A unibody design that gave you SUV-like comfort and car-like handling, but with the utility of a truck bed. It wasn't a copycat of the American giants. It was a smarter, more refined alternative. And today, with the Black Edition, Honda has taken that DNA and wrapped it in subtle luxury, advanced tech, and hybrid efficiency. Let's start with the design. At first glance, you notice the deep, gloss black finish, accented with blackout trim and bold 18-inch alloys that make it look stealthy, yet refined. The Ridgeline doesn't try to outbulk its competition. Instead, it delivers a clean, aerodynamic look that's perfect for modern suburbs and city life. But don't let the sleek styling fool you. The dual-action tailgate and Honda's signature in-bed trunk are still here, giving you practical features that no other pickup offers. You can load bikes, groceries, camping gear, or even use the in-bed trunk as a cooler for tailgate parties. These are the details that make you think, why don't other trucks do this? Step inside, and it feels like you've entered a luxury SUV more than a mid-size pickup. The Black Edition treatment gives you premium leather seats, heated and ventilated, tri-zone climate control, and a panoramic moonroof that brings in natural light. Honda didn't stop at comfort, they built an experience. The cabin comes alive with a premium audio system that's tuned to give you concert-level clarity, whether you're blasting music on a road trip or catching up on podcasts on your commute. The centerpiece, a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backed by a fully digital instrument cluster that keeps everything crisp and intuitive. And with wireless charging built in, you can leave the clutter of cables behind. Under the hood, Honda made a big move for 2026. The Ridgeline Black Edition now runs on a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid system. You get 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, which means smooth acceleration and plenty of confidence for passing on the highway or merging with traffic. The towing capacity sits at 5,000 pounds, with a payload of 1,583 pounds, more than enough for boats, small campers, or weekend toys. But here's the real jaw-dropper, up to 30 miles per gallon combined. For a mid-sized truck, that efficiency is almost unheard of. It means fewer stops at the pump and more freedom to just get out and enjoy the drive. And of course, Honda delivers on safety. The Ridgeline Black Edition comes loaded with Honda Sensing, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring, and even rear cross-traffic alert. Basically, it's like having a co-pilot that never gets tired. Whether you're navigating rush hour traffic or backing out of a crowded parking lot, this truck has your back. Now picture this. It's a Saturday morning. You load up the bed with bikes and gear, hit the road with your family, and on the way home, you're cruising in hybrid efficiency while enjoying a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge. The Ridgeline doesn't just move you from point A to B, it elevates the journey. And when Monday comes around, it's just as ready to haul supplies for a project as it is to glide through the work commute. That versatility is what makes it unique. At around $48,000, the Black Edition also hits a sweet spot. It's more affordable than many rivals, yet delivers a package that feels premium in every way.